Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have dx, so we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we have y in here. That means first the derivative of y, we have number 1. So we have negative x. This one we don't have y. So we got 0. Next, we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to x. So we have only this one. So we have 2x because first the derivative of x squared, we have 2x. This one we don't have x. So you got 0. We see that this one is not same with this one. So we can use about integrating factor because we want to transform this one into exact. If we look carefully about this one, we have x minus sy because this one we can do about factorization in here. And in this one we have x, 2x. That means I will choose about mu y. So we can simplify by s in here. So we multiply both sides by mu y. And we want to have this one equals to this one. So if we do first the derivative of b with respect to y, that should be like this. If we do first the derivative of q with respect to x, they will have like this. Next, we can do about factorization by s. Next, we simplify s for the both sides. Next, I will put this one go to the right, and we have positive mu y. So this one in here we have 3 mu y. Next, we divide both sides by mu y and 1 minus y. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of mu y. The integration of this one, we have negative number 3 ln of the absolute value of 1 minus y. And now I will put this one go inside natural log in here. So we have mu y equals to 1 over 1 minus y to the power of 3. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we can do about factorization by s. And now we need to simplify this one in here. Now we need to do first the derivative of of b with respect to y. You will have about positive number 2 over 1 minus y to the power of number 3. Next, we do first the derivative of q with respect to s. We have only s square in here, so we have to I forget s in here. We have 2s over 1 minus y to the power of 3. Now we see that this one is same with this one, so that is about exact. Now I will set up about the function fsy equals to the integration of this one plus 3sy. So the integration of s, we have s squared over 2 Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So we just have this one in here. First, the derivative of this one. This is number 2, not number 3. So we will have s squared over 1 minus y to the power of 3 plus d over dy 3sy. And we know that this one is equal to this one. Now we need to simplify. So this one we have s squared over 1 minus y to the power of 3. And we have y over 1 minus y to the power of 3. So we simplify for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one. So, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 minus y. We have y in here, so I will put y go to the left, u will go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have negative sign, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one will change by u. Y will change by this one. Dy will change by sorry, we don't need to do this one. So dy we change by negative du. So 1 divided by u to the power of 3, u divided by u to the power of 3. So we have u to the power of negative number 3 minus 1 over u squared. And now we have the final answer. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. The integration of this one, we have positive 1 over u because we have negative 1 over u, but we have another negative, that's why we have positive. This is about negative number 2, negative number 2. About u, that is about this one. Next, we go back in here. We know that the integration of this one, we have 3sy. 3sy equals to this one. So we need to change this one in here. And we know that this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we simplify like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.